In this video, you will learn how to add a Facebook pixel to your Godaddy website. To add the Facebook pixel, follow these simple steps. Go to the Facebook Event Manager, click Pixel under Data Sources. If you haven't already, click Create a Pixel and follow the instructions. Otherwise, set your existing pixel. Once your pixel is created, click Setup, then manually install the code. Copy the pixel ID from the instructions on the full pixel. Log into your Godaddy website, navigate to your website builder or Godaddy editor. In the editor, look for an option such as Website Settings. To Marketing section of the website editor, click on Tracking and Analytics. Next, choose to add code or add custom code. Paste the Facebook pixel code here in the header section, then click Save. Go to the Godaddy website builder dashboard, locate the file manager or access the site HTML code. Paste the Facebook pixel code before closing the header tag on the main site page or in any page. Then click Save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.